Thank you. That was beautiful. That was Ankush Kher. Today wedding Neha Mirza. They have finally come today of the wedding, and it is 25th. It is 25th January 2015, and we are blessed. We are blessed. And this is Gasha ji, Shivam Kher, and his brother-in-law. He's giving a very big smile. We tell him we
conclude.
We say that Great Ji Champs Manan hai. We say Great Ji goals up, and we are blessed. We're blessed. Everybody is here. Everybody is just happy, smiling and happy. There's so much energy. These people are finally going now. This is Rajesh Karzal. They are giving a very beautiful evening after welcoming the bride and evening. And you can see that everybody is here. We will be having finally tea. And ladies and gentlemen, so all the big people are there. He's in the police department. Sarji and his brother. And finally the big man, the most important person who was behind the camera. And he's giving also a very big smile. I thank him, heartily thank him. Guttu Sahab. Puri kya mana na? Ramesh Guttu Sahab. He was always with me. I have been meeting him after maybe around 25 or 30 years. I am blessed today that he is with us. Thank you, Guttu Sahab. We just conclude on you because you were behind the camera. Thanks a lot, sir.